Alright, this is War Weasel again. I thought I would show you what I've done after making that horror earlier. Uh, well, pretty much. I can now import and use animations from Unreal. Still haven't quite figured out how to go the other direction and use it from Blender, but that shouldn't be a big deal because I hardly ever do that. And I can stab. My goal was to make two stabby things today. One was for a walk, one was for run. As you can see here, I haven't turned off the movement for the stop, but you shouldn't be able to move when you do that. And when you are moving, you should do a thrust where you swoosh over here. But not bad for a night's work. A big deal is that I just re-rigged this character and can now use the default character controllers. Notice that this stance is totally unlike the character. It's exactly like the mannequin that comes with it. And in fact, it's so easy to swap it out, I may as well show you how to do that. There we go. So I also created a stab for this guy. Only this guy has some reach on him. I don't know if you can tell, but there's actually a little bit of squash and stretch in there. And this is why we should always make our own animations for the characters we are trying to create, because trying to buy one that's going to be exactly the character and the style that we need just isn't going to work out, except in the most basic of games. Okay, well, that's what I have, and I hope you enjoy following along.